Hi, this is Noel Kennedy from Shore to Sea Properties Group. We are brokered by EXP. I just wanted to show you a cool Chrome extension tool to help you with Zillow farming for sale by owners. It's a real simple Chrome extension to download and add to your toolbar. And then you add in your Facebook link and you have to add in some API keys. And so this is how it works. You click on the buy button here. You put in your neighborhood, your area. And then over at the more tab, you click on by owner and other. Then make sure that it only is owner posted. You hit apply. And then you click on one of the properties. And you'll see this orange button here. You just click it once. And it will add it to your CRM if you have a HighLevel CRM. There's a KV Core connection that's in the works. And that's okay if you don't use HighLevel. What happens is you just download this CSV file. It'll have all the homes that you have clicked on. And then you turn around and you upload it into your system. Since I have HighLevel, when it comes into HighLevel, it automatically has a tag on it. So it starts a texting campaign. And when we're done collecting our list, then we start with our phone calls. There's something else that's pretty cool with this Chrome extension. You can also post it to your Facebook profile, and you can post homes to your Facebook marketplace. Again, click on the buy button, but this time, not home types, more. You want agents. They need to be agent listed homes. So if you currently do not have any homes that are listed, what you need to do to stay in compliance with most states is is to ask permission of whoever has the home listed. So we're just going to pick this home. And you'll see here, post to marketplace, post to Facebook page. I'll show you what it looks like to post to marketplace. And right now what it's doing is going through and pulling the photographs and pulling all the information. It's pretty quick, and I can say that it's a lot quicker than if I were to do it. And you hit next, and then you can list in additional real estate groups or wherever you want. The next button you would push would be publish, but I'm not looking to publish this one, so you hit previous. And you can save it as a draft if you want to come back to it later. The other thing that you can do is you can pull your Zillow reviews and take that code and add it to your website. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'd be glad to answer them for you.